He said, "I'm playing, Mommy. I got it." Say, "Get me on there." Say, "Get me, Mommy. I'm playing with it." Got turned upside down. Now she can't get home. She You'll have to turn it over for her. She can't get her teeth under it to get it turned over. Oh, Junior. Oh, my boy. No, don't bite. No bite. No bite. No. He's going to get it away from her. She got it, boy. She's going with it. She said, "That's the way you play frisbee." I don't know if you can keep up with it. But she's playing with it. She likes it. Let me tell you something. Not this coming Sunday, but next Sunday, you'll be getting doggy training. Now you got it upside down again, Misty. Look how she's sitting. Say, "That's the way to play frisbee now." But she can hang on to it. Yeah, you can get a picture of the rainbow now.
Juno, look at me.
Here, let me throw it. Let me throw it. Here we go. Here we go. Watch it now. Go get it. Go get it. Hurry. But she won't let him have it. You see, he wants to play too. Now she got it upside down again. She has a time getting it turned over, but she gets it. They'll have that thing eat up by a couple of days. See, she thinks that's to cut her teeth on. Misty, roll it, girl. Let me roll it for you and let you go get it. Here, let me roll it. Look at here. Look, watch. Look at here. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if it'll roll. Well, at least it went right side up this time. See how she slides on it? She puts her feet on it and it slides like a surfboard. But that letter, she can't get hold of it. She's trying her best to bite into it. She can't. Oh my, look at her. Juno wants to play too now. She's trying. You can put down surfing Missy. She cannot get hold of it. Look at Juno. He said, "Let me hear." Look at her. She don't want him touching it. Look. She's like, "Get away from him." Look. See what I'm saying, boy? She thinks it's all hers and none his. And he says, "That's no fair. I don't get to play." She won't let you play, baby. Now she's trying to go at it that way. Oh, you videotape? Boy, she's very, that's her new dance. Misty dancing. She can't get it turned over. Stick your finger up under and turn it.
Misty, let me get it over for you.
There tries to bite it in the middle. Yeah, that's her new dance. I don't know what we call that dance. He's going to sit there for you for a picture. He won't be giving a treat and say good boy. Because that's why he's sitting there. He wants a treat. So you better hurry, Mama.
I got a few pictures.
Now give him the treat. Or at least give him one. Next he wants one too. Give her one. That's all you get, Next he gets one too.
Gina, you already... She got it.
Yeah.
They both got one.
Yeah, she likes that thing. I don't know what she'll do if she gets it upside down. Can't figure out how to get it turned back over.